Why do birds jump at mirrors? One of the reasons why birds jump at mirrors is because of aggressiveness and being territorial. They cannot recognize their reflection in the mirror, and would think that they are looking at another bird. When birds choose a nest in your garden, they will view the surrounding area as their territory, and will defend it from intruders. If the bird sees its image in a mirror hanging on a wall that is included in its territory, the bird will mistake its reflection for an intruder and try to drive it away by attacking it. Some bird species are more aggressive than others, and they will jump at the mirror to attack and drive the intruder away. For more information, visit our site housecaravan.com at the link in the description and hit the subscribe button to stay in touch.